Konnichiwa, wagwan, what's up, ogenki desu ka? So I'm heading home and I just, was just reminiscing on, hey fly, Jesus, the fly nearly made me drop over the bicycle. Sure, on this nice class that I had, the last class that I had, was really nice. So this boy, he's just so funny, give me a lot of jokes, and I remember this story where it was one of the most embarrassing times of my ALT life in Japan, where this boy made me call him something. Olande, probably it's easier for me. That's a nice butterfly. Remember when Miliko used to catch butterfly? Wait, let me cross over. Probably easier for hold the phone in there. This boy made me call him something. And what? Jesus, everything have trouble me now. As me I do my video, I'll fly. She flying, no bother me. Nobody no bother behind me. I'm gonna tell you what boy made me call him. Me soon tell you now what the boy made me call him, but let me tell you what happened. Alright, so in Japan there are like different types of students, or different type of kids, right? You have the very, very shy ones who you know that they need some intervention. You know what I mean? They comb their hair down in them face and they wear masks to cover their mouth, so their eyes, everything is covered, and they usually hold their heads down. In class, either they cry for the entire, forgive the peeny wally them. I'm a country girl. I'm living in the countryside. Right? So they either cry for the entire class or they just don't do any work. They sit and they just color or them do some form of drawing or whatever. They just don't do any work, right? So you have those. Those are the very, very shy ones. You have some who are not so shy, but they are shy in that if you call on them to do something, they'll do it, but they're not going to volunteer to do anything, right? And they're not going to really say hello to you on the corridor. Yeah, they just do what they need to do. Then you have some of them who are bold, not very, very bold. They'll just say hello to you in a shy manner, or they will participate in class. They will raise their hands when they need to. And then you have some who are over the top, very, very, very bold and genki. Genki means energetic, right? Those are the ones who are like the class clown. They make the class nice, as well as some of them are very annoying because them chat a lot. Kids are kids everywhere, as my mom would say. Picnic everywhere you go. Okay, so the very genki ones now, they're not afraid to call to you on the corridor, and they say things like, Katie, I love you. They will call to me from afar, and then the teachers would look at them like, hey, this is not how Japanese is supposed to behave, right? And if they learn any new grammar, they come and they try to talk. That's the one that made me call him the thing. So he's like telling me to call him different things. Like he would say, call me Shoshin, and I'd be like, hey Shoshin, and then they laugh. And he would tell me to call his friends stuff like, call him, he's Pokemon, call him Pokemon. And I'll be like, hi Pokemon, and then they laugh. So one fine day, he told me to call him, soon tell you no. What the guy tell me to call him, hey. So they were laughing when I called him, say hello, Jesus, me say them laugh, me say the picnic them laugh, them drop on the ground laughing. So being as inquisitive as these people are, one of the ladies asked me when I went back to the staff room, because they usually have fun with me, like me and them rap. I like when they laugh and have fun in class because they will remember stuff back that way, you know what I mean? So one teacher even asked me, do you feel a way that they laugh? I said, no, I don't feel any way. I'm not like Spice. I feel a way. I don't feel no way. Make them laugh because they will remember the lesson more. I'm gonna care. As long as me get my money at the end of the, maybe take it personal for. I'm not taking it personal. I get paid to make them have fun in class, you know. So I didn't care that they were laughing. They laughed, fell on the ground, and I was like, I know you're lying. You're lying. It's a joke. But you know, they usually lie and say and give me wrong names. The teacher asked me, why were they laughing so much? Like profusely, all the boys, you know. I told her what the boy told me to call him. The lady said, my gosh, she known. This is how they are. Nothing is a secret here, so keep your business to yourself. Went to somebody else, another teacher, and said, a boy told Katie to call him so and so. The teacher said, what? We need to talk to the head of the third graders, because they're third grade boy. Third grade in Japan is like grade 7, 8, 9 because it's junior high school and then they go to high school, right? It's not like in Jamaica where we cut out junior high school. So now come out now. Hey, this weather bipolar, you know, one moment it cold and then the next moment it just hot. Anyways, I get like a sun, sort out my melanin. So she said she need to talk to the head of the third grade students. So I was like, what is this? When they told me, I was like, jeez and peace, oh my God. Then these people must have been thinking that I'm rude or me a foreigner and come and doing these things with the boys. Jesus peace. Shame. But then again, I didn't know. I was like, what? How could he do that? And then another teacher was so upset, at English teacher that I worked with. She said, if the head of the third grade students doesn't do anything about it, she personally is going to go to the vice principal because that boy needs to apologize. Hello. It went to the vice principal and the vice principal told another teacher to talk to me, asked me what happened, and I told him, and then he called the boys and told the boys to come and apologize to me. Of course, you know, is not the same genki, hyperactive type of boy. I mean, I wanted to laugh at one point because like the boy was like go Sigh, whatever go Sigh means, and then the bow has to be like a extraordinary bow. It's not regular high bow. In bow go right down. I'm saying same boy this, you know, like when kids are having fun and you see them laughing and stuff, and then when them get in trouble you see them or them look
me. That's why Higgins. I'm really sorry.
So one at a time I feel sorry for him still, but you know, he need to understand himself still. You know when the boy, let me tell you what the boy made me call him. Pokochin. In English it means willy or a man's private part. I don't even know if I can say this on YouTube. I don't want him to block my video. Yes, I was there calling the boy Pokochin. Thought it was an anime thing because I am not necessarily into anime. Anyways, I'm so happy that they asked him to apologize because, you know, a lot of times students get away with stuff and we are deemed as being in the wrong. So I was really happy about that. Another time they tried it with me again, and a teacher was passing at the same time and draw them up in them shell and tell them to behave themselves. You know, a lot of times these students are deemed to be shy, but you have some of them that are out and bad. You see them showing middle finger, you see them telling each other certain things that they learn in anime or wherever them learn it. So when I see them, you know, in the classroom, I say nothing. I am there to teach English. I'm not there to discipline. So if the Japanese teacher didn't see and address it, and sometimes them see them don't address it, I have nothing to say. Them say the F word, as long as it's not me. I did not go there. It is above my pay grade. So anyway, that was it. The boy apologized and it turned out that one day I wanted to do a project in the school. I wanted to make a mirror thing. I'm gonna insert a picture of it. I eventually got to make it, but before I got to make it, the vice principal was asking me if it was because of what happened the other day with the boy, why I wanted to make it. It was like an inspirational type thing. If you know me, you know I love to inspire. That is my calling. That's my purpose on this earth. And he was like, as the lady was translating for me, and she said, he's asking if it's because of what happened with the boy, why you want to do it. I said, no, because my company had a competition. I end up win. I think it was 10,000 yen Amazon gift card I got. I was like, no, I'm actually gonna do it at another school, because that time I was working at 6 schools. I'm like, what? Why would he think that? Because they have this perfection thing, so if it seemed like something is out of place, and then you're going to, I'm like, nobody is perfect, no school is perfect, no kids are perfect, we know this, so don't feel bad. Like, it is what it is. Here we go on. I go make it down the street and just boom bang, you see me? So me talk to you later, and I look more here. Remember to like, share and subscribe. You see my place pretty? If you go over to Simple Extrovert, you'll see it featured on the channel, on this channel. Simple Extrovert. I showcase the country lifestyle part of me. So you can check that out, and if you like them something that like slow living and so, I show that part of me over there. Alright, like, big up on yourself, boom bang, and I'm out. Some high school pick me past me. I'm gonna make this. Just keep the camera on for me. I couldn't see them. Them bad. Watch them. Later.